for some of you, Sagittarius. And of course, kung nag-aaral pa lang kayo, mga Sag, no, kumbaga, mas mapapadali, no, yung inyong mga, yung inyong pagre-review, no, something like that, no. So, because parang you are being motivated right now, no. So let's see what else change. 'Di ba? Sabi ko sa iyo, no, some of you will change your career, no? So talagang nakalagay dito, no, change your path, your career. So it's time, no? So it's time for you, no, maybe for some of you, Sag, is hindi na maayos ang inyong career, no, businessman ito, job man ito, no. So maybe for some of you nag-iisip na ng lumipat na, no, or magbago na ng business, lumipat na ng trabaho, no, for some of you. So it's a confirmation from the universe na tama yung decision mo, tama tong naiisip mo, Sag, no. So if there is an offer, no, so grab it, no. Maybe kung hindi man ito mas mataas dun sa dati mong job, no, but then if there is pag meron niyang offer sa'yo, grab it, because kung ikaw ay hindi na masaya dun sa dati mong, sa previous work mo, no, so maybe this is the time, no, to change the career of yours, right, no, or kung business, may mga mag-i-invest for you sa business mo, sa iyong sideline, whatever it is, no, or expansion ng iyong business, no, so talagang kasi doors are opening, no, so be ready, no, so receive mo to, no, kung ano man ito, no, but then kailangan ay pag-aralan mo ding mabuti, no, before accepting offers or these opportunities, no, kasi ay kailangan yung talagang sigurado ka din, no, something like that, no. So that's it for you, Sag, no. So kuha tayo dito ng possible lucky numbers for you, Sag, no. Kuha tayo dito ng 6 cards for you, Sag. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see. So, you have this number 4, 11, no? So, you have angel number, no? Sag, no? 1, 1, no? So, check it out na lang din, no? There is a message from your angels, right? No? So, you have 50, number 3, 20, and 73, no? So, no? So, again, you have 4, 11, 50, 3,